Meaning of the English idiom, all of a sudden. All of a sudden means abruptly, without any warning, or unexpectedly. All of a sudden is simply a more idiomatic and poetic way to say suddenly. It tends to add emphasis to just how sudden something was. But suddenly simply means quickly and unexpectedly. Usage notes. English learners frequently make the mistake of saying this as all of the sudden. You must use a, not the. All of a sudden. All of the sudden was used in the past, however. It sounds entirely incorrect today, though. The idiom all at once can be used in a similar sense, but also has the additional meaning of all at the same time. All at once will not always be interchangeable with all of a sudden. Reserve this phrase for something that would normally occur gradually over a period of time, but that instead occurs very quickly and unexpectedly. For example, you would not say, all at once the lights went out, because electric lights are either on or off. They do not go off gradually. So all of a sudden the lights went out would normally be more appropriate. However, we are accustomed to it getting dark outside gradually. During an eclipse, this happens relatively suddenly. So you could say, all at once it was completely dark outside. Examples of use. I was making dinner the other night and all of a sudden I heard a bunch of gunshots. I don't know why she all of a sudden refuses to talk to me. I didn't do anything to her. These headaches are the worst. Everything is fine and then all of a sudden my head is pounding. Not a cloud in the sky and all of a sudden it starts raining. Origin of idiom. The earliest variations of this idiom were of a sudden and on a sudden. Of a sudden stuck, and the all was added later during the late 1600s.